Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer data to new Android phone. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to transfer all of your data to your new Android phone, so let's see how can I do this. Here's my new Android and here's my old Android. So now I am going to transfer data from this phone to this phone. So let's see how can I do this. You just have to open Easy Share in both phones. Just open it. If you can't get it, you can easily install it from Play Store. Just open your Play Store app, go for search bar, and here you just have to search for EasyShare and install this app. After installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here select file transfer in both phones, and here you just have to select send from which phone you want to send data. As I'm going to send from this phone, just tap on send here, and here I'm going to send receive. Just tap on receive, and here your device is admin ready. You just have to wait for it scanning for this device. But if you can't get this device on your screen, here's you can see that it's been gotten. Just tap on it to connect with. But you can easily use scan to connect. Just tap on this icon to get the QR code and tap on this to scan. I'm going to tap on the app phone name to connect with. Just tap on it and your device is connecting just like that. You just have to wait for it connecting. Just select allow from here. So after that your devices will be connected just like that. Now you just have to select the data which you want to send. If you want to send all your data, just select all apps from here. Just tap on this icon to select all apps, and here's your videos, photos, music, files, and contacts. Just like that, you must have to select which thing you want to send. So after selecting, just tap on send to send that data. So it will send all the data to your second phone. You can see the data has been transferring. So that's how you can easily transfer your all data to new phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.